Drum, drum, duck wore shiny red shoes, marching to music with Hiccup blues. She hicked and she hopped and she bumped into bees, then hicked once more and tripped over her knees. Quack-a-hick, I must win this race. She puffed and she panted with jam on her face. The turtles were laughing, the rabbits all cheered as she drummed on her belly and wobbled her rear. Boom, boom, hick went her hiccupy beat, sending jelly beans flying from under her feet. A monkey in goggles flew by on a kite, while ducks spun around in a dizzy delight. Oh, feathers and hiccups she sang with a twist, as marshmallow clouds began to mist. She bounced off a bouncy banana cart, then hit so loud it made squirrels fart. At the finish line she tumbled and slid, with a chocolate medal stuck under her lid.